Hi guys, so today I'm going to talk about my school canteen. My school canteen is so big and the walls are colored with nice paintings. And in our school canteen there are several rules that you have to follow. Number 1, don't play in line. Number 2, be courteous to the canteen staff. Number 3, say please and thank you. Number 4, sit where you're assigned. Number 5, wash your hands. Number 6, keep clean. So in our school canteen, the chefs are making sure that the canteen is clean and nice, and the teachers are making sure that the canteen is clean and have good ingredients in it. And we have different bins. Then we will put our leftovers there. The first place is where we put our leftovers there, like food. And the second place is only for bread, that we're putting our bread in there. And the second place is where we putting our wastes except food and bread, for example, like tissue. And now I will tell you the steps how we get the food. Number 1, we will make a line and then we will wash our hands. Then we will grab our spoon and plates. Then we will choose our food. And finally, we're glad that we got a clean place to eat and a place to relax. Thanks for watching my video. Love you all. Bye bye.